Our new gate has been placed in here, and it works so beautifully. It's secure here, and this is the view up to the property. The neighbor, they own all this land. They just repaired a lot of their driveway, some of the bigger cracks and damage in the road here. See, look at that, how nice it is. And look at the trees. The fruit trees are loaded with the Delandon fruit. Let's see if we can find one. Look at that. Ready to eat. These are like an orange. You probably could put it in a glass and you couldn't tell the difference between orange juice and Delandon. I take it and freeze it in little like push-up plastic bags, like about the size of a thick magic marker. Make excellent frozen treat. Come on, Timmy, you whining little shit. Come on, hurry up. He's worse than a dog. He'll follow you around and cry when you're gone. He won't even leave the property now. Our neighbors planted literally hundreds of different varieties of bananas. Isn't it nice? I wouldn't trade this for a fancy condo in the middle of Manila overlooking the ocean. What? What? You want me to carry you, you little pussy? Huh? Come on. You're worse than a kid. We're gonna walk down here and see what they're doing. Now, can you walk by yourself now? Come on, heel. Just like a dog. I like cats better because they're clean. They don't make a mess. They don't get into your garbage. They clean up after themselves. Unlike dogs. Yuck. Now here's some more fruit trees. I don't know what they are, but they got a lot of them planted. And I think he put this here so people can't drive on this soft cement. Now this little vehicle here, this would make the perfect conversion vehicle for a small motorhome. I'm looking for one to buy. I don't want to buy a brand new one. They're too expensive. You know, $20,000. I'm not making payments for 5 years or more. See, they're doing all this work. And there's over there dragon fruit. Oh, I have to show you this. I'll just put it on pause and go over to the turmeric. Look at all the Delandon, ready to pick, hanging there. The branches are hanging down to the ground. Now over here, there's a huge, couple 100 feet. We're just gonna come into the first section of turmeric. Look at this. Look at all of it. It's so abundant, it's coming up out of the ground by itself. Don't look like much to the camera, but I'm telling you, there's huge amount of turmeric here. Can you see it coming up? We'll never run out of turmeric, and it goes beyond this quite a bit. Look at these. These are huge. I've never seen the Landon this big before. It's almost baseball size. Look at that. Wow. And the branch is hanging down. See, isn't this pretty? Listen. It's not, you don't hear anything. You hear the birds and the crickets. Come on, Timmy. And then we're walking up here to the big farm owner property. They've been remodeling this little building for rent, I think. It's so quiet, peaceful. Well, there's a rooster. You really don't hear him here. They have tamarind and bananas and papaya and all kinds of fruit trees. We could make a video an hour long if I kept going. I guess they're not here yet. They've been on a cruise from Philippines down into Australia. Be interesting to hear their adventure and their story. Well, we're just heading back to the house. Oh, here, look at this tree. Those are loaded. Look at that. Ooh, they're going to rot in the tree if they don't get them picked. There's more over here. My goodness, look at them all. What do you think, Timmy? Are you into the Landon? Look at them all. Look at that. I'm going to take one. I'll steal one and eat it for a morning snack. Okay. See you later, YouTubers.